greatest treasure of IQ Group of Industries is you people. We do expect a lot of doubts and questions from your part. If you have anything, you can ask them. Okay?
Before I take your questions, our team takes your questions. There's one question or one fact which we missed out. Where do you get your IQ watches? We have started a link or a cooperation with retail chains like Reliance, Big Bazaar. You get those small affordable watches from Big Bazaar, don't you? Now you will be having IQ watches available in Big Bazaar, Reliance, Walmart, all retail chains with our own franchises. These watches have a service life. They have a lifelong warranty, so there won't be a problem with your watch. If you do come across, do happen to drop in at any of the IQ centers for a free service, your watch stays with you and goes with you to your grave. Thank you.
So we'll start the question session. So I'll ask the first question to the CEO itself. What is the turnover of your company?
I'll give it to my marketing and advertising analyst because he will handle such kind of questions.
Good evening, sir. I believe your question was what is the turnover of a company. As you said, IQ is a global company and we have just started in our services in India. So I could tell you about our global turnover. Our global turnover is around $20 billion.
Can you say what is the production capacity of your plant in Switzerland?
Okay. See, like our company hails from Switzerland, the land of watches. So definitely there's a quality and an accuracy to that. Okay, you asked about our production. In India, when we are planning to launch, we are launching it today. We are launching our series of IQ watches. We plan to have a sales of about 3 lakh watches per month because a student community is there in India. It's a huge population. There are 75 engineering colleges in Kerala. Think about the whole country. Our starting range is 150. 150 is the price of our starting watch. A watch which will definitely take off with the students. It will appeal to the students. So definitely 3 lakh watches also might be an underestimate. But we definitely have that figure in our mind.
I just asked about the production capacity.
Production capacity, yes, definitely. At the moment, our watches will be imported from Switzerland, but because having a mass capacity, the prices will remain same. I'll give it to Bijo because he'll clarify more about the technical aspects and the production capacity also.
On overall, we are having 5 plants, manufacturing plants of our own. In Switzerland, we have 2 plants. Combined production capacity is 5 lakh units per month.
One question. What are the quality assurance measures you have taken for your products?
Pardon, sir?
Quality assurance measures.
We undertake the TQM procedures for quality, total quality management.
So one more question. What about your after sales service? After sales service. What are the measures you are taking to provide after sales service?
So your question was about after sales service.
Yeah.
As I told you, after every 3 years, we replace the front glass of the watch and the straps, the leather straps or plastic straps, free of cost. Then we have a guarantee period of 1 year and a warranty of 2 years. Further technical aspects, I think our technical head will tell you.
Our technical support services are global. We have collection points all over the world, and as of now we have only 2 service centers in India, but we have placed our collection centers all over the country. So we will be able to give nationwide support in India.
Your brand name is IQ. Then what is the trademark?
Sir, our trademark is IQ itself. I'll be able to show it here.
Oh, is it same trademark?
Yeah, IQ, sir. It's IQ, Intelligent Quartz. We are registered as IQ.
Sure, is it same?
Yes, sir. IQ.
No question.
Sir, answering to your last question. Sir, Casio, take example. Casio doesn't have a logo. It's the name Casio itself. IQ. IQ, sir, if you observe a name IQ very closely, in the Q, you will observe two needles. 1010 is the time. 1010, if you want to know the relevance of 1010, it's the time when Lincoln died. So it has an importance there. IQ watch, the name itself speaks.
Okay, one more question. One more question. You already given some offer. You may possibly to give an immediate offer through your market message to compete in the world and in the market. If so, what type of offer you give and why?
Sorry, sir, could you repeat your question?
I repeat, you may possibly to give an immediate offer through your market message to compete in the market. If so, what type of offer you give and why?
Okay, sir. Okay, for an immediate aspect, okay, I'm thinking about this. What about this? To every winners of Drisha 08, we give you an IQ watch as a gift voucher.
The last question. How will you forecast the future sales? How will you forecast the future sales?
So I'll answer to that. So what you see around is the future. This watch is for the future and for people who have lived through the past. This is the future, of course. Our watches, as I said, age is no bar. It appeals to everyone. Anyone can wear it and anyone can take it to their grave. Watches are meant generally associated with time.
No. What I am asking is, how will you forecast the future sales? Forecast. How will you forecast it?
Sir, we have conducted a survey. Each company when they step into the market does conduct a survey. And what survey we had conducted with the help of AC Nielsen showed that there's a very huge positive response from the students who want to go for fancy watches with quality. So definitely our forecast as such is very positive and we are planning to sell, like I said, like 3 lakh watches per month is our figure. I'm 100% sure we're going to cross that.
Next question. I have just one question to the creative head of your company. I am a teacher. I am 47 years old. Tell me why I should buy one of your products.
Sir, the most important duty of a teacher is to come in time and teach students how to be punctual. IQ Watches gives you accuracy with style, and that's what you need in a present-day college.
To the brand ambassador.
Yo, tell me.
We, the people of Kerala, are peace love. We are living in a peaceful way. Then why these black cats?
It's not the question of people in Kerala. See, when I go to Pakistan or somewhere like that, let me complete. When I go to Pakistan, Canada, America, there are people like terrorist activities happening. So the Indian president has allotted me 4 black cats for my protection. I love you people. It's not because of you. I love you people. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you all for giving a warm welcome for IQ Watches into Indian market. IQ Group of Industries, intelligent cards with love, time.